The Jeep Compass needs no introduction. You've probably seen it on roads, and a car like this you just can't miss. And off-road, you just saw what it can do. It's celebrating its 3rd birthday, then what better place than here? The reason why all this is a cakewalk for the Compass is because it's one of the better engineered cars in the segment and one of the safest SUVs you can buy in India.
Jeep is such a brand name in India. Back in the days, all off-roading vehicles were known as Jeep. There was nothing known as SUV. 3 years back when FCA launched the Jeep Compass in India, it really changed the game as far as SUVs are concerned. The Compass gives you the luxury of a sedan and off-roading capabilities of a real SUV.
In the first year, the Jeep Compass won hearts of customers and critics, bagging over 24 awards. There are a whole bunch of powertrains and trims to choose from, and we've got our hands on the Trailhawk, a hardcore 4x4 that gets additional features like rock mode and 4-low, and not to forget the convenience of a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's got a lot of features which we need somebody really expert in technology to explain. So let's call Kunal Gangar to tell us a bit more about it.
Thank you, Sarman. Now let me take you through the interesting features the Jeep Compass comes with. In the center, we have a touchscreen display with its own infotainment system called the U-Connect. If you are a Spotify or a Google Maps user, with the help of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can use those apps as well as a few more over here. You can also summon Google Assistant or Siri with the touch of a button on the steering wheel. Navigate me to the nearest Jeep showroom.
Navigating to Landmark Jeep dealer and showroom in Andheri, Mumbai.
Wow, that's what you call loaded. While you process all the features and technologies, I'll take the Compass out and check out the legendary off-roading ability.